Good morning, everyone. Aradhna Tiwari from Be the Change by Aradhna, an Access Consciousness Certified Facilitator and your friend to take your question. I'm looking forward to see you all here soon. Hi, Vijaya. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hi, IT. Good morning. Thank you for being here. Thanks, sweetheart. Good morning. How's the morning? How's Chakra? Hello, Ritu. I was about to say Chakra Power. Now I got it. Ritu. Hi, Ramesh. Good morning. So, guys, we started with the interesting point of view challenge today for 100 days. Anybody who's joining in new and who hasn't yet joined in that, please join us. It'll be more fun. Poppy seeds I read last night somewhere. Amishi, good morning. I'm forgetting. Good morning. Poppy seeds, can you see Nitesh, right? Is it Nitesh, Poppy seeds? Asta, good morning. Pretty as always. Thanks, Samishi. Good morning, sweetheart. Good morning, Parata again. Hi, Mona, darling. Good morning, sweetheart. So today's question is, can I have that question? Good morning. So hope you all have been joining up and taking 100 days challenge of interesting point of view, which will actually kind of turn you into a walking, talking meditation. If you haven't, please join up. We just started today this morning, and everything you're saying, being, has to be an interesting point of view. What fun can we have on that group? Please join us. And today's question is, everywhere you are weighing and waiting for things to happen, stop. Take one step. Monica, good morning. Hello, Poppy Seed is laughing. I'm sure it's Nitesh then. Thanks. Hi Shivani, good morning. So everywhere you're weighing and waiting is right, because you know how much we wait in our lives. Hi Alka, good morning, sweetheart. So how much we wait in our lives that this will happen, then I will do this. This will happen, then I will do this. This payment will come, then I will do this. And in that wait, you're also weighing your body up and your extra pounds, and then you're waiting, and that weight never turns up. Weight never gets turned into a result, and I mean, even sometimes really it does, and that might be like long wait. So how much of your life are you giving in the wait rather than just taking one step and going up further? So this morning I woke up, I think that was my energy, because I am like done with like my weight not changing, and I haven't really been lazy bundle, and that's an interesting point of view. Good morning, Sesta. So I was like, I'm changing this. And when I put on my weight, and when my body puts on weight, I am bugged. Then I don't like anything. And I had been questioning what is actually weighing me down right now and what is going behind the scenes. And it was like, I have put on weight and I don't like put on weight. And then I asked my body, hey body, what is it? Would we like to keep this weight on? And am I waiting for something somewhere in my life? And then there were like a lot of awarenesses that were showing up in my world, and I'm like, this is changing now, and enough of wait, because if I'll keep waiting, I'll only keep going upper and upper, and that's not working, because that one thing is acting so weirdly in my world that my whole world is actually drowning. So this is how I look into my body, and this is how my body gets me awareness, and that there was a crankiness in me which I could perceive was exactly the crankiness I always have when my body is gone beyond the certain weight. So these are my signals which I have been watching and observing in my life, and I start questioning, and that's when this whole thing came up this morning. Okay, stop the weight, stop the weighing, and now take one step. And I did, and I'm already on it. So wonder, what steps are you taking of not waiting and weighing enough? So if you really want to change your bodies, do you really want to change life in your life, take one step. Good morning, Sahasta. Good morning, Gosha. Good morning, Aiti. Thank you for your beautiful suggestion, I would add, and that was so beautiful of you. Thank you, Aiti. So Monica says, sometimes I do so much, like I think I'm going fast. Should I wait for a few months? There's nothing called fast. If you wait, you'll never create, Monica. Just keep going, and don't wait for anybody to join in your speed, because nobody is Monica. So join your work and do you. I mean, it's just keep going. And even if you're alone there, What fun can you have there? Your neat, clean pool. Why do you have to be in the cesspool all the time, the dirty pool? What if you're the only one in the pool, the beautiful, clean, crystal blue pool? What fun can you have there, Monica? Hi, Ritvi. Good morning. Good morning, Rahul. Welcome after long. Hi, Chavi. Good morning. How are you doing, sweetheart? Long time. Hi, Simran. Happy morning. Payal. Hello again. So guys, today is about no weighing and no waiting. So you put on weight with your thoughts, feelings and emotions. You wait for things to happen in your life, your payments to come, your results to come, and then you're waiting, and your partner to join in, your partner to find you. It is not going to happen. Stop there, ask questions. What is required here? What do I have to be here today to change this? And what do I have to be here to receive this? As my mantra again says, receive, relax and release. So keep using that anytime you get into, okay, receive. Anybody's screaming on you, your things are actually not working, and that's when I was doing this receive, relax and release, and that's when this whole awareness popped in my head. I was like, my world is not working right now, things have to change, and however it changed, and then I was asking what changed. So poppy seeds says which is Nitesh says includes my seeds in your diet for more fat loss. Awesome. Okay, what else is possible? I would please send across. We will eat your poppy. So Nitesh is selling his poppy seeds. He's saying add my poppy seeds and it'll add to the fat loss. What else is possible? Mitzi, welcome to this space for the first time. I guess I'm seeing you here. Thank you for being here. Monica says, sometimes I feel everyone around me are so much experts, so there is so much fear of facilitating the classes. My question to you, Monica, is will they ever get less? I mean, with time, there will be more facilitators facilitating and more expert, or less? So it's like, you're waiting for your old parents to tell something to them because they're old, and when would you tell them? When they'll get more older? I mean, I wonder what that whole thing is in your worlds. So what if you start changing, and if you're waiting, so the truth is, do you really want to facilitate? If you really want to stop all this, pock and pod and make it as an interesting point of view and choose to step up and go facilitate. And maybe there are few people who are waiting for you to facilitate them, because sometimes the way you talk might probably hit them more than the probably way I talk to them. So wonder if that is fun for you, Monica. Rest is a choice. Hi, Yogi Ji. Good morning. So please stop waiting, stop weighing, start changing. Ask what your body requires. Who would you be? What can you be today to change all this, and take one step. Just take one step, whatever. Maybe for a minute walk, maybe 5 minutes walk, maybe 5 minutes change of your thought process, whatever it is. 5-minute facilitation, Monica, whatever. What is that step you have taken? Vijay, I started my cardio, which I was avoiding because I had a knee issue. So I was like, hey knee, now you take care of yourself. I wonder how this is going to work. I'm changing this. So I did start. I had changed my diet plans. So whatever my body asked, I have been changing and showing up. So let's see. And asking more questions. And so that was one step that my body asked me to take, and which I have been avoiding. So, and I'm in interesting point of view of everything now, because today the challenge of the interesting point of view started. Anybody who wants to join in is free to join in. The only condition is that you have to at least mention by the end of the day 10 things that you made interesting point of view and that changed your life, so that it becomes a chain reaction. People get ideas, like we were laughing that the live is over. So I was in the morning I was live there. So it was like somebody asked for the live in the group. Somebody said, this is an interesting point of view that live is not available now. So it can be fun, it can be joy. We can make funny things as an interesting point of view. So please join. Link for the joining the interesting point of view group is, I think, in the bio here. So please join it. Is it in the morning? No, I probably would be showing up a little more often these days, initial start. And then I would be showing up any day. It's not fixed that I'll be showing up there every day. It's like whenever I feel easy, I will just give you a time on the group, and I'll be showing up and taking your questions or saying around what is going on in my life around interesting point of view, Vijay. But then this is like the whole day. You have to be an interesting point of view and keep posting like when I was joining this uh, Insta, I had so many things coming in my head, and I'm like, oh, I should go on the group and write them. Okay, this is also an interesting point of view. So you can keep going on the whole day, and it's gonna be there for 100 days. And Gary says if you do it, Gary's founder of Access Consciousness, and so he has this thing. He always suggests that if you do it for 3 days, you can be a walking, talking meditation. So I have committed to myself of doing 100 days. So because I always lose it on the track. So the whole idea of forming the group is because I'll be aware and I'll be present with the group all the time. So that will actually make me be present with interesting point of view. And then I'm really no wonder what my life is going to be. It's already started changing and shifting. So when you make everything around you so interesting, and it's an interesting point of view, then nothing really matters, nothing becomes solidified, and your life becomes easy peasy, but just a choice. Hi Mehek, welcome to the space, good morning. And today's question was, Mehek, just to repeat for whoever joined late, everywhere you are weighing and waiting for things to happen, please stop and take one step. So keep asking what one step can be, and don't keep asking, take that one step, whatever it shows. It might be the stupidest step. You might go have 5 steps down the lane, maybe 5 minutes by watch you go walk if it's about the weight, and or stop eating, whatever works for you. If you think that this cutting of this food might reduce your weight, or adding poppy seeds into it might change your weight, please join it and please put them and have fun with that. So what one step can you take? Please take that step, don't wait for that. Thank you. Hello Vineet, good morning for joining in, and thank you for joining in. Thank you. Any other questions, guys, anybody has that I can contribute to? So, and there are many more other workshops coming up. Out of Control is coming if you really want to go out of control, which is starting I think as 15th. And there's a talk to entities, addictions and entities. If anybody's wants to work around their addictions and have any interesting point of views around addiction, can join on that call. There's a talk to entities class, there's a foundation class. If anybody is from Access background here, I'm most happy, welcome to join in, and let's have fun. And what else is possible? Cool. Anything else, guys, that you guys would like to choose? Let's go on, move on from all that is weighing you. Do it now is what comes to me. Let's go move on from that, all that is weighing you. Do it now. What comes to me? Yeah, do it now. Be now. And Being You class, yes. Being You class is coming on the 15th and the 16th. And what else is possible? Weekend adventure. So if you want to be you and change the world, what if your knowing is your being? So just saying, come, we can have fun, and you can have 2 days of meet together, and what joy can that be together? Cool, guys, have a beautiful day ahead, and keep having fun, keep rocking, and stop weighing and waiting, and take one step, and also take one step to join the Interesting Point of View challenge. And what fun can that be with all of us together? Just let go, just move on from everything weighing you. Yes, enjoying badminton in early morning for 2 hours. Wow, I'm jealous. I'm so jealous. I'll add something to my life, more of it. See, that invites me to different possibilities. When people do this, I'm happy. Thanks for sharing that. Nitesh, that really kicks me for something more. Thank you, guys. Have fun. Beautiful day ahead. Bye.